how to make your passive money make more passive money without losing any of those passive money. My name is Ria. I wrote this apartment prescription book, and I'm going to share with you chapter 7, one of the lessons learned in this book. That is how to make passive money more passive money without losing any of that passive money through apartment investing. So one of the lessons I have in chapter 7 is cash flow is the holy grail to apartment investing. Cash flow is the holy grail to apartment investing. So when I invested in our first apartment, I'm actually here in Raya Sayang. It's a restaurant here in the Concord Mall. And when I first invested in the apartment, I didn't really do the apartment math. I didn't know about cash flow. I thought of appreciation, and little did I know the first apartment that I have was affected by the 2008 housing crisis. So because I was hoping for appreciation, I was taking money just to keep, I was taking my active money to keep my passive money in the apartment. I was paying for half of my mortgage so I could keep my tenant in the apartment. So I was losing money. So what I did, because I bought that apartment because I loved it. I was hoping for appreciation. I was not doing the cash flow, which is the holy grail of apartment investing. So I lost a lot. Thank God I had enough money working as a physician to keep it afloat. So in order for you to make more passive money from your passive money, is you've got to do cash flow. Cash flow is the holy grail of apartment investing. So you want to make sure when you buy your property, there is cash flow on day one. Cash flow on day one. So if you want to know more about what I do, apartment prescription, just follow me on one of my videos. Take care. Happy investing.